So I'll very quickly explain how we can make a video in logo in Google Drawing. So I'm going to add a couple of text boxes, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to actually be splitting up the words in my logo just so that it's easier for me to move them around and reposition them. I'm going to make them much bigger, and let's just make sure they are all line in the middle. And now I'm going to choose the fonts that I want. Remember, you can go to more fonts and get more fonts should you prefer to use one from here. Okay, and I'm just going to bring that all back together like so. Let's put some more emphasis. Nah, let's just make that bigger. Okay, and we can just bring that a little bit closer in. Let's change the color of the text as well. Something nice and playful. A bit sweet, like center. Let's make that blue. Okay, so that's what my logo might look like. I might want to add an image as well. So I'm going to head over to the internet and let's try core. I'm looking for something which could show the center. So I'm looking at something like the Earth's core. So I'm going to try a file type of a PNG. Now, you may know that some of, so we have two, well, PNGs usually have transparent backgrounds. So yeah, now I like the core of this apple, but I prefer one of the earth, which would look a little bit more. Okay, so I might just use this image itself. So I'm just going to crop that down. Now, unfortunately, this software does not have a way for me to just get rid of that part, which is what I was trying to do by using the mask image option. I mean, I was trying to get something which, no, that's not working too well. Let's say, okay, so if we keep that the way it is, I can send that to the back. I might be able to recolor it. Let's make it nice and bright pink. No, that doesn't quite work. Okay, so that's a way of getting a very basic logo quite quick. Obviously, it's not perfect, but we can look at refining that later on. We can look at playing around with some of the colors and some of the fonts later on as well.